Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISE Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss M.L.aggarwal Class 9 Mathematics Exercise 16.2 question number 41 to 48. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.
Now let us solve here exercise 16.2. The perimeter of a square is 48 cm. The area of rectangle is 4 cm less than the area of the square. If the length of the rectangle is 4 cm greater than its breadth, find the perimeter of the rectangle. So we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. The given part is perimeter of a square is given to us. So this is perimeter of a square is equal to 48 centimeter, and we know the formula for perimeter of a square as 4 into side as equal to the perimeter. We'll put the value here to find the side of the square. So this will be 4 into side equal to 48. This will be cancel out and side will come as 12 centimeter here. Now, this is the side of the square. Here it is given that the area of rectangle is 4 centimeter less than the area of the square. So, if we find the area of a square here, so area of rectangle is equal to area of um, square minus 4 centimeter square. So here we can find from the side given here the area of square, and we know the formula as side ka whole square. So we'll put the value as 12. So 12 into 12 is equal to 144 centimeter square. So here we can write area of rectangle as area of square minus 4. Area of square is 144 minus 4. So this will be 140 centimeter square is the area here. Now this is the area. We have to find the perimeter from this value. This is the area of the rectangle, and it is given in the question that this if this is a rectangle, the 4 centimeter greater than length is 4 centimeter greater than its breadth. Let the breadth be x and let the length be here x plus 4. So we can write here area of rectangle as length and length into breadth. So this will be length into breadth. Area of rectangle is given to us as 140. So we can write it x into x plus 4 equal to 140 here. So x square plus 4x minus 140 equal to 0. So x square plus 14x minus 10x minus 140, we will take common from that. X is x plus 14 minus 10, so x plus 14 equal to 0. So this will be x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 14. So x is equal to minus 14 is not possible. So we'll take x is equal to 10 here. If x is equal to 10, we can find the length from that only. Length will be x plus 4. So 10 plus 4 will be 14 here. 14 centimeter. Now breadth here is x. So here this will be 10 centimeter. Now for finding the perimeter we can write it as 2 length plus breadth. So this will be 2 10 plus 14 means 2 into 24. So 48 centimeter is the answer here in this question. So this is the 48 centimeter is the answer here, and this is the solution of the 41st question. Let us solve here 42 question. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a rectangle with sides AB as 10. So this is 10 centimeter, and this is BC is 8 centimeter. HAD and BFC are equilateral triangles. AEB and DCG are right-angled isosceles triangle. Find the area of the shaded region and the perimeter of the figure. So here, this is an equilateral triangle whose side is 8 centimeter, and this is a right-angle isosceles triangle whose each hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. Because this is an isosceles right-angle triangle, means here AE is equal to BE. So let this be x centimeter. Now by Pythagoras theorem we can find in triangle ABE. By applying we can write the hypotenuse whole square as base and height ka whole square. This will be EB ka whole square. We'll put the value AB as 10, 10 ka whole square equal to AE as x because we have let here AE and BE as x. So x square plus x square. So this will be 2x square equal to 100. Here this will be cancel out and x square will be 50. If we take the under root here, we can write x as 5 under root 2. So this is the value of x, means side of the isosceles triangle. So AE is equal to BE, which will be 5 under root 2. Now we can find the area of this triangle here, isosceles triangle. Area of triangle AEB will be area equal to area of triangle GCD here. So you can find the area here. This will be half into base into height. Base and height are equal only. So here we can write x square by 2. Now x square we can write here 50. So 50 by 2 is equal to 25 centimeter square. Now again we have area of equilateral triangle HAD is equal to area of triangle CBF. Because these are equilateral triangle, the sides are equal here. We can write it as the area as under root 3 by 4 into side ka whole square. So side will be 8 because it is an equilateral triangle. Three sides will be equal only. So 8 ka whole square. We can write under root 3 by 4 into 4 into 4. This will be cancel out. Sorry, this is 8 here. This will be cancelled out and we will get 16 under root 3 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region here will be area of rectangle ABCD. Area of rectangle ABCD plus area of triangle AEB plus area of triangle BFC. So here we can write area of rectangle ABCD. We can write as 10 into 8 because the formula is length into breadth plus 2 into area of triangle AEB will be 25. Again 2 into area of triangle BFC because there are two equilateral triangles. So this will be 16 under root 3 into 2. Now we can write here 80 plus 50 plus 18 here, 38 under root 3. So the final answer, it is 38 only, na? Sorry, it is 32 under root 3. So here we can just add these three parts. It will be 130 on adding 80 plus 50 plus 32 under root 3 centimeter square. Now we have to find the perimeter in the figure. So perimeter in this figure will be, we can write just the outer boundary here. So AE plus AEB plus BF plus FC plus CG plus DG and HD, then HA. So we can write here AE plus EB plus BF plus FC plus CD plus GD plus DH plus HA. So this will be 4AE plus 4BF equal to 4 into 5 under root 2 plus 4 into 8 centimeter. So this will be 20 under root 2 plus 32 centimeter equal to 32 plus 20 under root 2 because 4 because here we can see that these two triangles are equal and the sides are also equal. So we can write 4 and in this also sides are equal and two triangles are equal. So we can write four sides as 4 BF because all sides are equal. So here also 32 plus 20 under root 2 centimeter is the final answer here in this question. So this is the solution of the 42nd question. Let us solve your 43 first part. Find the area enclosed by the figure first given below, where ABC is an equilateral triangle and DEFG is an isosceles trapezium. All measurements are in centimeter. Here ABC is an equilateral triangle and DEFG this DEFG given here is an isosceles trapezium. So we can write EF as equal to GD, which is 5. Because in an isosceles trapezium, two non-parallel sides are equal. So DE is equal to, here given to us 6 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. So from that only we can write GF as GB plus BC plus CF. Here we can write GB as 3 because these two will be equal if we draw perpendicular from B to D. So this will be 3 plus 6 plus 3. So here we can write 12 centimeter. Now AB is equal to AC is equal to BC, which is equal to 6 centimeter here, because this is an equilateral triangle. If BC is equal to 6 means all sides are equal. Now if we draw perpendicular, we can find the value of CE. Because here this CF is given to us and FE is given to us. If CE we will find, we will get the value of BD also. So by Pythagoras theorem, CE का whole square is equal to EF का whole square minus CF का whole square. By Pythagoras theorem we will put the value of EF. EF is 5 का whole square minus CF is 3 का whole square. So 25 minus 9 equal to 16 means CE is equal to 4 centimeter. If CE is equal to 4 centimeter, now area of triangle ABC we can write as, because this is an equilateral triangle, so 3 by 4 into side ka whole square, we'll put the value, so it will be 3 by under root 3 by 4 into side is BC, so this is 6 into 6. We'll cancel out this part here, and 4 2 3, this will be again 3. So 9 under root 3 centimeter square is the area of triangle ABC. Now area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half DE plus GF into CE. So this will be parallel sides means half. DE is 6 plus GF. GF is, so here it will be 6 plus 12 into CE. CE we have find it as 4. So this will be cancel out here. 18 plus 2 means 20 centimeter square here. Sorry, 18 into 2. So 18 into 2 will be 36 centimeter square. And here we have to find the area. So the total area will be the addition of this triangle area and the area of trapezium. So 9 under root 3 plus 36 will be centimeter square is the final answer here in this question. So this is the solution of the 43 first part. Solve 43 second part. Find the area enclosed by the figure given below. All measurements are in centimeters. So here the area will be, this forms a rectangle here and this forms a trapezium. So we will firstly write the length of rectangle here. Length of rectangle will be the sum of 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we can write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 will be 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter is the length and width is equal to 2 centimeter. So we can write the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle as 8 into 2 means 16 centimeter square. Now area of each trapezium. Area of each trapezium will be half 2 plus 2, because this is the sum of the side, into 6 minus 2. Parallel sides are 2 and 2 in this trapezium and the height will be 6 minus 2, this width. So this will be half into 4 plus into 4. So 8 centimeter square. Now the total area on this figure will be 16 centimeter square plus 8 centimeter square. So this we can write as 32 centimeter square. Because there are two trapezium here, so we can write one more 8 centimeter square. So this will be again here for we can write 16 plus, sorry, this is 16 plus 8 will be 24 centimeter square. So the final answer will be 32 centimeter square is the final answer in this question. and this is the solution of the 43rd second part. Let us solve here 43 third part. In the figure given below, from a 24 centimeter into 24 centimeter piece of cardboard, a block in the letter of M is cut off. Find the area of the cardboard left over. All measurements are in centimeters. So here two rectangles are given. Length of each rectangle is 24 centimeter and width is equal to 6 centimeter. So here area will be length into breadth. So 24 into 6, 144 centimeter square. Now base of each parallelogram. Base of each parallelogram will be 8 centimeter, and height will be, if we subtract here, let the cardboard be 24 centimeter from here, so this will be 24, and if we subtract 12, this the remaining part will be 12, and the midpoint here, from midpoint if we divide by 2, so it will be 6 centimeter both sides. The height will be 6 centimeter of this parallelogram. So here we can write height also as 6 centimeter. So from that area of parallelogram will be height into base, means 8 into 6, so 48 centimeter square. Now if we add these area, means area, total area will be 2 into area of rectangle plus 2 into area of parallelogram. So on adding, we will get 2 into 144 area of rectangle plus 2 into 48. So this will be 288 plus 96 here. So 384 centimeter square. Area of square cardboard. From that area is equal to square cardboard is 24 into 24, means 576 centimeter square. Here we can write remaining area of the remaining cardboard. We have to find. So area of the remaining cardboard, we can write as area of the whole cardboard minus area of the letter of M. So this will be 576. We have finded this 576 minus 384. So 192 centimeter square is the final answer here in this question. And this is the solution of 43 third part. Now let us solve your 44th first part. The figure given below shows the cross section of the concrete structure with the measurements as given below. Calculate the area of cross section. Here AB is 1.8 meter, CD is 0.6 meter, DE is equal to 1.2 meter, EF is 0.3 meter again, and AF is 2.4. So from that, firstly we'll produce DE to meet at AB, so that we can form triangle and a trapezium, and from that only we can find the area. So in this area will be area of rectangle, in this figure area of rectangle AGEF. So this forms a, here let this be G. So AGEF will be a rectangle plus area of trapezium GBCD. So this is GBCD, this is a trapezium. For that we will have length into breadth in firstly rectangle, and this area will be sum of parallel sides into height. So here length into breadth will be 2.4 into 0.3. So 2.4 into 0.3 plus 1 by 2. Sum of parallel sides will be, here the parallel sides will be GB plus CD. So 0 points, here this will be GB minus AB minus whole 0.3. So this will be GB, AB minus AG plus, so that we will get GB, and here CD into height. Height, as we can write DE plus EG. So DE plus EG will be the height. We can simply calculate it. This will be 0.72 meter square plus 1 by 2 AB minus AG will be 1.8 minus AG 0.3 plus CD will be 0.6 into DE plus EG 1.2 plus 2.4, so 3.6 here. Now here 3.6, this will be 0.72 meter square plus 1 by 2 1.5 plus 0.6 into 3.6. So it will be 0.72 plus 1 by 2 into 2.1 into 3.6. So 1.8 equal to 0.72 plus 3.78 on multiplying 2.1 with 1.8. Final answer will be 4.50 meters square, approximately 4.5 meters square. So this is the final area. So this is the answer here in this question, and this is the solution of 44 first part. Let us solve here 44 second part. The figure given below shows a field with measurement given in meters. Find the area of the field. So here this area will be, if we will calculate, so area of triangle firstly EDA plus area of triangle ABX plus area of triangle ZDC plus area of trapezium XZBC. So XZBC here. So we can write it as area of triangle EDA will be half into 20 into addition of AX plus XZ plus ZD. So AD whole. So this will be 37. So here this will be 37 here. Now we will write area of triangle AB6. So half again 12 into 30 base into height plus area of triangle ZDC again base into height 10 into 25 plus area of trapezium here. So this will be area of trapezium XZBC will be 1 by 2 addition of the parallel sides 30 plus 25 into 15. So here we can just calculate it. This will be 370 plus here 15 into 12 we can calculate. So 15 into 12 will be 180, and now this will be half 10 into this will be 5. So here we can write 25 12 125 meters square. Now the last part will be 55 into 15, and so this will be here 55 into 15 divided by 2. So here we can write 412.5 meters square. We will add whole. So this will be, final answer will be 187.5 meters square. So this is the final answer here in this question, and this is the solution of the 44th second part. Solve here 44th third part. Calculate the area of the pentagon ABCDE shown in figure, that AX is equal to here BX, which is 6 centimeter, and EY is equal to CY, which is 4 centimeter, DE is equal to DC, which is 5 centimeter, and BX is whole is given as 9 centimeter. DX is perpendicular to EC and AB. So we can write here, firstly we will find the value of dy by Pythagoras theorem. So dy square is equal to DE square plus EY ka whole square. So this will be, DE will be 5 ka whole square plus 4 ka whole square. So 25 plus 16. So here 41. So 25 minus 16. Sorry, it gone wrong here. We have to find the value of dy. So by Pythagoras theorem again, we can write here dE, because hypotenuse square is equal to square of base into height. So dy ka whole square plus ey ka whole square. So this will be dE ka whole square. dy ka whole square will be dE ka whole square minus ey ka whole square. So DE is given as 5 ka whole square minus EY 4 ka whole square. So 25 minus 16 equal to 9. So from that we can write dy as 3 centimeter. Now we have area here. Total area will be area of triangle DEY, area of triangle DEY plus area of triangle DCY plus area of trapezium here. Area of trapezium EYXA, EYXA. Again we have area of trapezium CYXB. So we can write as area of triangle DEY as half base into height. So DEY has base as EC. So this will be, we will add here EY and YC. So this will be 8. So into 8. So firstly we will write DEY. So here 8 into, sorry, we will take half by half. So DEY will be 4 here as base, and height will be DE will be 5. Plus again here DE here is 5 centimeter only. This will be 5. Sorry, it is not the height. So we will write again 1 by 2 into 4 into divide the height, so 3. Then again 1 by 2 into 4 into 3 plus 1 by 2. In this we will have the parallel sides as 4 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, because this is here, this will be 6 centimeter AX and BX, or we can write half by half also. So if we take this pentagon EYAX, so 4 plus 6 into the height. So yx is given as, if we will subtract from 9, 3. So it will be 6 plus 1 by 2, 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 into 6. So it will be 2. 6 plus 6 plus here again this will be cancelled out, and here 10 into 3, 30 plus 30. So if we add this part, it will be 72 centimeters square. So this is the final answer here in this question. That we have to find the area in this only. So this is the solution of the 44th third part. Let us solve your 45th question. If the length and the breadth of a room are increased by 1 meter and the area is increased by 21 square meters, if the length is increased by 1 meter and the breadth is decreased by 1 meter, the area is decreased by 5 square meters. Find the perimeter of the room. So here, length of room, let the length of room as x meter, and breadth of room as y meter. So here we can write area as length into breadth. So this will be x into y, means xy meter square. Now length is increased by 1 meter. So we can write in the next part as x plus 1, and the breadth has again x plus 1 in the first part. So we can write the area as, sorry, y plus 1. So x plus 1 into y plus 1 will be equal to xy plus 21, because it is increased by 21. So here we can write xy plus 21. So xy, we will multiply this, plus x plus y plus 1 equal to xy plus 21. So this will be cancelled out here, and here we can write x plus y plus 1 minus 21 equal to 0, x plus y minus 20 equal to 0. So put it as the first equation. Now the second part, length is increased by 1 meter and the breadth is decreased by 1 meter. So this will be x plus 1, and this will be y minus 1 equal to xy decreased by 5. So xy minus 5. Xy plus x plus y minus 1 equal to xy minus 5. This will be cancelled out, and x plus y minus 1 plus 5 equal to 0. So x plus y plus 4 equal to 0 as the second equation. So solving the two equations here, we can write this as, if we will put x plus y, so we can write x minus y also, because on multiplying x with minus 1 we are getting minus x also. So minus x plus y minus 1 plus 5. So this will be, if we take common here, so here we can write x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So x minus y equal to 4, and here x plus y equal to 20. So I'll solve these two equations. Let it be the second equation and let it be the first equation here. On solving these two equations, x plus y equal to 20 and x minus y equal to 4, this will be cancelled out, and 2x is equal to 24. So x is equal to 12 here, 12 meter. Now, if the x means, here we can write length as 12 meter, we can write the breadth of room as 20 minus 12 means 8. So here 8 meter. Now perimeter we can write here uh, 2 into length plus breadth, and we have to find only the perimeter only. So we can write here 2 into, in the next page we will do this. So here we can write the perimeter here, perimeter of the room. So here we can apply the formula 2 length plus breadth. This will be 2, 12 meter plus 8 meter equal to 2 into 20 means 40 meter. So this is the final answer here in this question, and this is the solution of the 45th question. Let us solve here 46th question. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. If the sides of triangles are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter, and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter, we have to find the height of the parallelogram here. So to find the height, we are given part is sides here, 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So firstly we will find the semi-perimeter, so that we can find the area here by Heron's formula. So 26 plus 28 divided by 30 by 2 equal to 84 divided by 2 means 42 here. So here by Heron's formula, we can write the area as under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So that we will find the area of triangle, and the parallelogram here it is given that triangle area is same. So we'll put the value here 42, 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28, 42 minus 30 equal to under root 42 into 16 into 14 into 12. So this will be 7 into 6 into 4 into 4 into 7 into 2 into 6 into 2. So we can write here, take common, so 2 into 4 into 6 into 7 equal to 336 centimeter. Now area will be same of parallelogram. So we can write area of parallelogram for this. We can conclude 336 centimeter square only. From that, it is given that area of parallelogram is base into height. And here, base is given to us. We have to find the height of the parallelogram. So we'll put the value of base here, which is 28 centimeter into height equal to 336. So from that only we can find the height as 336 divided by 28. So 1 here, 6, 8, 7, 84, 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is the final answer here in this question, and this is the solution of the question here. This is the solution of 46th question. Now let us solve here 47th question. A rectangle of area 105 centimeter square has its length equal to x centimeter. Write down its breadth in terms of x given that its perimeter is 44 centimeter. Write down an equation in x and solve it to determine the dimensions of the rectangle. So here area of rectangle is 105 centimeter square and its length is equal to x centimeter. So we can write from that only breadth. Area is equal to length into breadth. We can write here 105 equal to x into breadth. So from that we can find the value of breadth as 105 by x centimeter. Now given that its perimeter is given to us as 44 centimeter. So we can write perimeter by formula as 2 length plus breadth. So in place of perimeter 44 and 2 length is x and breadth is 105 divided by x. So we can just calculate it as x square. This will be cancel out 22 x square plus 105 divided by x equal to 22 here. So x square minus 22x on solving 105 equal to 0. Now we can write this part as x square minus 15x minus 7x plus 105 equal to 0. So we will take common as x minus 15 minus as common, so 7x minus 115 here. So from that we can find the value of x as 15 or x is equal to 7. Means breadth is here, breadth is equal to 105 divided by 15, and here also breadth is equal to 105 divided by 7. This will be here 3 and this will be 21. So 7 centimeter, and here breadth will be in the second part. This will be cancelled out and here 15. So 15 centimeter. Means here these are the dimensions of the given rectangle. So this is the solution of the 47th question, and this is the answer here in this question. These are the dimensions. Length is 15, then breadth is 7, length is 7 and breadth is 15. Let us solve your 48th question. The perimeter of a rectangular plot is 180 meter and its area is 100 meters, 1800 meters square. Take the length of the plot as x meter. Use the perimeter 180 meter to write the value of breadth in terms of x. Use the value of length, breadth and the area to write an equation and X solve the equation to calculate the length and breadth of the plot. So here it is given that perimeter is 180 meter, area is 1800 meter square, and we have to let the length as x meter. We have to use perimeter to find to let the value of breadth. So we can write here 180 equal to 2 length plus breadth, putting as x plus breadth as b. So from here we can write the value of breadth as 90 minus x equal to b. And if 90 minus x is equal to breadth, we can write the area simply here as length into breadth. So here area is 1800 meter equal to x into 90 minus x. So here it will be x square, uh, sorry, 1800 here equal to 90x minus x square. X square minus 90x plus 1800 equal to 0. So x square minus 60x minus 30x here plus 1800 equal to 0. So we'll take common as x minus 60 minus 30 as common, so it will be x minus here we can write 60 again. So from that we can write x is equal to 30 meter or x is equal to 60 meter, and we will find the value of breadth from here only. Breadth will be 90 minus x, so this will be 60 from here, and here breadth will be 30. 90 minus 60 will be 30 meter. So this is the required length of rectangle and breadth of rectangle. So this is the final solution of this question. Here is the solution of the 48th question. This is the last question of this exercise.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.